Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We're in the gorgeous Içmeler. We're just going to take a little wander down to where we're staying. We just went to a lovely bar, met a lovely guy called Rich.
And Aussie.
And Tango. Tango owns works at a bar along the beach near Tiki Bar. What was the name of his bar?
I can't remember.
Beachfront or something.
Yeah.
But yeah, so big shout out to him. But yeah, we're going to head out to where we're staying, our hotel, and meet up with a lovely Steve, who we met yesterday evening. So let's see Gwan. You guys know the vibe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I don't know what time it is. I have no idea.
Coming up for 10:30.
So it's about
22:11.
It's about 22:11. Still get your hair cut. That's where we were. Icmeler, absolutely lovely man. So yeah, much love to him. And you've got all the stores still open. So this is our first sort of, second night out, but first time in Içmeler for nightlife, because we stayed in Marmaris last time, so we did like the day, but we've never actually done the nightlife, so it's really nice to see what it's got going on. Don't forget to comment below if you have been out to Içmeler. What is your favourite bar? Where do you like to go? Have we missed anything? Because we will be coming back, so it's always good to get that feedback and see where you guys love to go. Loads of entertainment. Let's have a look at this one. So this is Florida. More of an eating restaurant. Got the canal there. We started off one of our videos earlier this evening there. Sorry. Thank you. So yeah, really, really pretty along here. Little benches as well, which is nice. So you can have a little see. You don't have to talk loudly now because you've got the music going on. Yeah, really, really stunning. So you've got Broadway.
You get down this way and then go karaoke.
So yeah, so talk out. So you've got bamboo. Music is absolutely pumping. Show you again, you've got all the lovely little boats along here. Really, really pretty. Big RM there. Right, let's move fast because copyright. Pretty sure we're not covered for Russia or whoever this is. This might be little Chris. Punching machine, gotta have those everywhere. Oh, let's have a look at the dancers, sorry. Bit of entertainment going on there. Hello.
My cousin.
Nice to meet you.
That is Big Boy. Where are you from?
Swindon.
Swindon, UK.
Yeah.
He's lived in Bolton 7 years.
Okay.
He got Turkish looking though. Yeah, got hair. Show me, there he is, come on. And
Sabrina,
call me.
nice to meet you.
Turtle.
That's it.
We used to own the nightclub on Marmaris. We moved here our first time in Içmeler. But for the first time, we are the top 3 busiest place now in Içmeler.
Oh, well done. Congrats. Congrats.
You're Bolton, come on.
Yeah.
Listen, what's your favorite drink?
We've got to, yeah.
No, what's your favorite drink?
Anything with rum.
Anything with alcohol.
Rum.
With rum, Captain Morgan Spice.
Yeah, we like that, yeah. Oh no, we have to go, yeah.
Seriously, if you like the push, I give my list there. Yeah. Whenever you like, you're very welcome.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. There you go. Canal Restaurant. Got a little play area in this one, so you've got the kids out. Saw this one earlier. Right. We've got the Irish bar, showed this earlier. Yeah, again, let's keep going because of the copyright, the music. So yeah, quickly get through here. Right. So we're going to the same bar that we went to yesterday. We didn't film that yesterday because...
Well, we did actually. I've got some footage.
Oh, actually, that's a lie. Kirk has got... But we didn't, film going there because we were quite tipsy, really, weren't we? Yeah. And well fed tonight as well. Make sure I had seconds for dinner. The food was absolutely fantastic at our hotel. So yeah, not getting the munchies just yet. So at Red Lions karaoke. Straight on. There we go, hotel's down there. Or there. We're going there, get a drink, can't we?
Good to, couldn't we?
Yeah. Aye. Got 20 minutes, babe, 20 minutes.
No.
Got a Blondie's restaurant and bar there. Right, we're going to end it because I can already hear a song playing. That's going to be copyright.
So we're going into Scotia. So
Yeah.
you might see some footage in a minute. Let's quickly film the outside of it.
I am a film the outside. Hello.
Are you coming in?
Yeah. So yeah, we're here. Thank you.
Dundee! Hey, good lad, good lad. Thank you for following us, man.
Anytime, love it.
Thank you, Baba.
Keep up the videos.